So in this Canva tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to bold text here on Canva. So super simple. First thing you have to do is write some text that you wish to bold. So I'm just going to add a heading right here, and I'm going to press on text. So as you can tell right now, it actually already is bold. So I'll use it. That's kind of a bad example. I'll go to subheading right here to where it's not bolded, or maybe it still is. It doesn't really matter though. We'll just go to add a heading right here. I'm just going to search up text. All you got to do is just pretty simple. As of right now, it is bolded, but if let's just say it's unbolded, for example, and you want to bold it, super simple. Up here in the top left corner, you have an A, you have a B, you have an I, you have a U, and a double A. On this B right here where it says bold, if you press it, it's going to unbold, and if you press it, it'll make it bold. So that's just going to make it a little bit thicker. This works for different colors as well. Let's just say it's red, for example. If you want to unbold it, it's unbolded. If you want to bold it, it is bolded. So that is how you can bold text here on Canva. I hope this video helped.